One thing I did do was work on the further revision of the jury instruction. I saw that the state had sent over a couple of different proposals, and I thought a part of those were good. And I'm just going to tell y'all, I'm just going to read out what I've come up with, which is a little bit from here and a little bit from there. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Judge Whitaker. Judge Glanville is no longer the judge presiding over this case for which you have been selected and sworn to try. I will be the presiding judge in this case moving forward. You are not to concern yourself with this change. And I propose to say, and to calm any concerns, Judge Glanville is fine. Because if I don't say something like that, they're going to be like, oh my God, did he have a heart attack? Or, you know, so that way nobody's searching on the internet. Okay, then let me remind you, as I assume presiding duties in this case, that none of my decisions and nothing I say during the trial is evidence, just like none of Judge Glanville's decisions and nothing Judge Glanville said during the trial is evidence. The decisions and remarks of a judge do not mean that the judge favors or leans to one side or another in the case. I am only interested in seeing that this case is tried fairly based on the laws and the Constitution of the state of Georgia and the Constitution of the United States. You are to disregard any comments that may have been made by Judge Glanville about any of the lawyers in this case. To maintain the dignity of the jury system, I remind you that you must decide this case based only on the evidence admitted during the trial and the laws I will explain to you. Thoughts, objections?
Anything inconsistent with what Mr. Williams filed yesterday, which I know was part of the file, we would object to. I think that it's important not to say that don't worry about it, Judge Glanville is fine.
Okay, well, I just mean, if you want to come up with another way to say that, that's fine. Do you not want to say anything at all? Just.
I'd like to say what I wrote. He's been removed from the case. That's it. It's not disparaging. It should be disparaging, but it's not. It's just since he's been removed.
Well, he is no longer the judge presiding over the case. I think pretty much says that.